Hi, my name is Rebecca from Equator, and today I'm going to show you how to get building outlines using the Equator platform. To start, find your location. You can use the search box at the top and type in your address or the coordinates. I've already found a good spot here, so I'm just going to jump right into setting up a site. To set up a site, click on the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Choose from any of the preset dimensions or draw a custom boundary. I'll stick with one of the presets. Click Continue to set down your site, and then navigate to the Data menu. Here, scroll down and look for Building Outlines. Click on Building Outlines, and you're going to see the different sources that are available for that product. What's really cool about what Equator does is it consolidates data sources from all across Canada and the US, so you can expect to find full coverage of building footprints within Canada and the US from either Statistics Canada or from Microsoft. So click on the source dataset that you want to use, and then hit Continue and Generate. And within a couple of seconds, the building outlines are going to show up on your site, clipped to the boundary, ready to go, fully vectorized. If you want to use them in Equator, click on the layer to format them the way that you'd like. So you can change things like the fill and the outline. But if you prefer to download them to use them outside of the Equator platform, just navigate to the Layers tab, find the layer that you just added, so Building Outlines Ontario in my case, and then click on the blue download icon. Here you're going to have a few different formats that you can choose. Shapefile if you're a GIS software user like ArcGIS, or if you're working in CAD software like Civil 3D or MicroStation, click on DXF or DWG. I'm going to click on DWG and then pick a coordinate system. Once that's done, simply click on Process, and that data will download and be ready to open. There we go. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your project.